want to look better than 99% of those damn kids in school with more attention from girls, listen up. The last tip is the most groundbreaking one. First off is to groom yourself. Actually look like you can take care of yourself. Whether that be grooming, hair, hygiene, whatever. If you already have a beard in high school already, especially, or even middle school, it can start to get scruffy if you let it grow too long. So if you want to look more attractive, just trim it, man. No negative to trimming it. You'll look better and it won't be as itchy. I know a lot of people that have crazy itchy beards because it's so long, so scruffy, and just all over the place. It looks like you do not take care of yourself if you let your beard just get all fucked up. Also, keep up with your hair. You do not want greasy ass hair. You'll look like a smelly fuck if you do. If you have actual style in your hair and you actually have some intent with the style you're doing, girls will see that or like the hairstyle, or even other guys will even ask, oh shit, how did you cut your hair like that? What should I say to the barber? All these fucking things. If you have greasy ass fucking hair like this school kid I'm about to show you right now, you're in trouble, man. Because once you're labeled as that kid with greasy hair or just being smelly, you are fucked, man. I'm telling you, you are fucked. I once had greasier hair too. It's not that I didn't wash it at all. Maybe I just didn't wash it hard enough at the time. Because this long hair I had, I'll show you a picture, it just kind of looked like eh. But I was young, I was 3rd grade. The best I took to fix it was to not shampoo all the time and to actually have a natural shampoo instead of a 3-in-1. For the longest time, I had a 3-in-1 shampoo. I don't know why the fuck I did that. But now I have Hawthorne everyday shampoo and conditioner. I do that like 3 times a week. Everything's all good. Nothing gets too dry. Nothing gets too matted. Doesn't look greasy. It looks actually good. And if you want to take it that step further, you can have styling products. Secondly, wear fucking good clothes. I know this is gonna be quite the topic because especially when you're young, like middle school, you haven't really kind of became your own yet. You're still going through early stage of puberty and you don't know what really looks good. You might not even be conscious of like what you really look like yet. You might not even be into girls yet, but in 8th grade and especially high school, you'll be all into that. I'm into that right now. I'm in my senior year. You start trying to like color this, have sandwich fit, have like textures even matching, have like a watch, have a chain, something to break the ice because you don't want to look like everyone else. That's how you will not be ahead of 99% of the people. Now, a big thing with these clothes is the colors. The colors mean the most. Brand doesn't matter as much. You can mix brands. I see it all the time. People with their Nike shoes and then their Adidas shirts. But the colors matter the most by far because that's what kind of grabs the people's attention. If you have a green ass shirt and then you have some red shorts, blue shoes, you are fucked. You're gonna get talked about. I even had a neon sort of thing. I had a green shorts, black shirt, and then black, white, and green shoes. You would think, okay, those colors match. Each one of the things of clothes has a color that's involved with the other pair of clothing. Nope, because it's neon and it's like bright and it's like this lighter color, I even got a little bit of whatever behind my back by wearing neon. So now I don't wear fucking neon shit. I know it sucks, it's unfortunate, but you gotta look at these colors. You gotta look in the fucking mirror. Don't be scared to look at yourself. Look at what you look like and see whether it fits good as well. Big thing now is how does it fit? Now we're away from the colors. Okay, the colors are good. But how does it fit? Do the clothes fit baggy as fuck on you? Does it fit too tight or does it fit just right? The slim fit, the skinny jeans, the baggy jeans. Now, best thing I have is go for the skinny jeans. That was like 10, 15 years ago. That shit is over. Now in 2025, in the big 2025, you either wear baggy as fuck jeans, I see a lot of people doing it. It looks kind of silly sometimes if it's crazy baggy, but it works, whatever. Girls like it. The next best thing, just like normal fitting jeans, not too baggy, not too tight. One of those 2 pairs of jeans, have some freaking high tops with it or low tops of jeans. You can have a tight shirt, or you can have a flannel over that too. Roll those motherfuckers up, look rugged, and wear a hat. You gotta just like play around. What makes you look good? Like if you have a big forehead, make sure you have hair that fucking covers it. Or if you have a circular face, hats aren't gonna look the best. I think with longer faces, hats look better for some reason. That's just what I've noticed. Another thing is if you have a design shirt with tons of patterns on it and then you have shorts that are also like that, it's kind of too much. Balance it. If you have a plain shirt, you can wear shorts with designs. If you have a design shirt, wear a plain short. Trust me with this again, I wore shitty fits till all the way up until this year. I'm not even joking. Last year I was wearing neon fits, and years before that I was wearing like shit that didn't fit good. The colors were always kind of like decent, but like the fits, like the way it fit on me and just kind of like overall package just was ass. I got pictures right here. Boom. 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 Long shorts. Do not wear long shorts. Never wear long shorts, especially past your fucking knee. Oh my god, that kills your looks. It just makes you look so unathletic. It makes you look like a fucking middle-aged dad already with that dad bod build. You got those big ass jean shorts as well. Like you're young. You're like middle school, high school. You don't want to look like a fucking dad already. Wear shorter shorts. Show off those quads, those knees. look more athletic, please. Anything to mix it up. I'm telling you, girls like when people actually change their shit. No one wants to see the same clothes every day. The amount of kids that wear the same shit every day in my school is bad. In a previous short, I said the exact same shit. Lastly, have an aesthetic physique. I know I talk about this all the time, but I'm telling you, if you want more girls to look at you, which I didn't get looks from any girls back in the day. I had a fat ass physique, wasn't good. Now it's some definite looks for sure now. I'm not trying to be that guy, but I'm just saying what I see, you know? Have an aesthetic physique. And I'm not just saying get all like big and bulky. That can work. Some girls like the fluffy teddy bear look. They can just kind of like snuggle with them and feel like they're like on the teddy bear. But most girls, I'm gonna be honest, like the aesthetic look. The swimmer's physique, or even something a little bit bigger than that. Just something in the middle or something on the leaner side, and you'll be fine. As long as you have some sort of chiselness or vascularity or some sort of shape instead of everything just being a big blob with fat over, it'll get some attention, man. They love that just rugged, lean look, like you're fucking ready to like build something out there, ready to do some manual labor work, something like that, like you're a construction worker. You'll get way more looks. And if you want this leanness, you'll have to eat less, because if you keep eating more and more and more, you're gonna get fatter and fatter and fatter. But you can do the bulk as long as you cut after and get that lean look back. Obviously, don't eat as many carbs. Don't avoid carbs at all, but just eat like lower carbs, something below 100 grams. Make sure you drink water. Don't consume as much sodium because that contributes to bloating. Just have enough to survive, have some electrolytes, whatever. Eat potassium-rich foods. I mentioned this in a short before about sweet potatoes. They have tons of potassium. It will de-bloat, especially if you've had a lot of sodium. If you have a 2-to-1 potassium to sodium ratio, you'll be good to go. Move around a lot, do a lot of cardio, you know, do whatever you gotta do. Stay lean, do a sport. As I said in another short before, do a sport. It helps keep you lean, gives you fun, and is healthy instead of just video games where it's just fun but not healthy. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is right now. Just remember to level up in real life and not the video game. And if you want extra help, I have a free Google Doc in the pinned comments and description with all this stuff in a form so you can read it instead of having to listen to all of it, and so that you can keep track and remember it and store it for later. It also has bonus tips and stuff I haven't even said in this video that will help you out really crazily. Don't forget, it's called the Beast Mode Starter Pack Kit.